Hi guys, in this video I am trying to tell you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First, open the Play Store app, then click on search and search for downloader app. After that, you will see downloader by AFTV News. Click on it and install it. It's already installed on my device. After opening that, you will see this interface. Click on search icon and put that code 730116. After that, wait for 3 to 5 seconds. It will redirect to this page. Scroll down and look for IPTV Smarters Pro. There are too many apps. Just look for IPTV Smarters Pro. After finding IPTV Smarters Pro, click on it. Now you will see IPTV Smarters Pro download file. Click on it and IPTV Smarters Pro start installing. It's depend on your internet connectivity. As you can see, I have installed it. I will click on extreme code. Here you will need username and password to watch IPTV. Contact me and I will provide you. Thanks.